Web 2.0 Tools, presented by Myra Guzman, EDTC 6340. I will be presenting three Web 2.0 tools: Mindmeister, Scratch, and littlebirdtales. The first Web 2.0 tool is Mindmaster. For more information, you can go to mindmeister.com. The pros of this tool: it helps you to focus, lets you structure your thoughts, provides a great overview of a topic, and enhances memory. It can easily connect one map to another. Immediate, easy to use, no learning curve, easy to share, intuitive, easy to republish elsewhere, work offline, and edit in real time. The cons of this tool is it can't always copy and paste between maps and cannot have more than one center point. The cost is free up to 3 mind maps only, or 30-day free trial. I will be explaining more through my web tour tutorial. Ease of learning is easy. The student accounts, yes, it does have student accounts, but each student has to sign in with their own email address. Versatility: this tool has many features that offer variety. I'm going to be guiding you through a web tour tutorial now. The first thing you need to do is go to mindmeister.com, and then you're going to come to this, you're going to see this page, and you can either press get started or go to try a live demo. And if you click this, the try a live demo, it will take you to this page where you can create your own map. Okay, so you can always change it and just play around with it and just try it for free. And you can play around with colors. You can add whatever you want. You see, I'm adding happy face. Let's try happy face. You see, you can play and you can add as much information as you want and just try it out. And if you do like it, well, you can go back and you can get started. Just press the icon get started and it's going to take you to this page where you have the option of choosing from the different plans. I chose the basic plan, which is a free sign up, and it only gives me up to 3 mind maps, and I can share and collaborate just to try it out for the meantime. And or you can also try the 30-day free trial on all the plans. You can start by trying out the personal or the pro or the business, depending on what you plan to use it for. There's also education plans. You can pay less as student, educator, or school with our special academic and NGO plans. Okay, once you already chosen your plan, you can go back and you can join, and then once you inputted all your information, you can sign in with the email address. I'm going to sign in with my email address or the username, whichever one you chose to sign in with, and then you can just sign in with your password. Okay, once you're in your page, you also will see this little icons. One is new mind map or the new folder. You also have another. You also they give you a training to work on first, so they can guide you into creating different maps. Or you can also try the trending tools, which will help you also see the different tools that they have and the different maps that you can design. Okay, so I went when I signed up. The first thing I did is my first mind map, and they guide me through this. They gave me an option of mind map training, tutorial videos, key shortcuts. I can always press these icons and it'll take me to this different tutorials, and then it guides me through how to get started through mind mapping, and gave me these different features that I could use, just like the live tutorial. And let's go back. And one thing I wanted to show you is how to use it and share in real time. So I went ahead and designed my first map, and I use it to brainstorm. And I will give this example as pretending to be collaborating with another student in a classroom. So I started and already put the goals. Okay, so this is what the other student will see, and you can always invite the other student. And I invited myself with another email address. So you can put here, you can invite, you see, okay, cancel, invite people, and then you put the email address of the other person, and then send a personal message, and you just press invite. Okay, so since I already did the invitation, I'm gonna go to my email address, and I received my email address and the invitation. I open mind map, and this is what I see. Takes a little bit time to upload. Okay, so the other student or person will see the same screen as you have in your Mindmeister screen. Okay, so the other person can always add add more things to the map. Problem. Okay, let's add another problem. Another teacher, and then I can add a little sad face there. It's not letting me. Well, this is just for practice. We can always add things to it, and like a little flag. I'm just adding things that way you can see also what I added in my page when I go back. Okay, and let's go back now to my page, and you see, you get to see what the other person added. So this tool can be used. You can have two students work on the same project on different computers, and also this tool can be used for math, to solve a problem by mapping the steps to the problem, like right here, or for science to plan an experiment, or data and analysis, or also the safety rules. For social studies, by mapping timelines for a lesson, by designing a lesson or working on a lesson with the students, or language arts to map a story of a book, or writing a different story, like I just did in my example. Okay, my second Web 2.0 tool would be Scratch. For more information, you can go to scratch.mit.edu. And the pros of this tool is that it makes it easy to create interactive art stories, simulations, and games, and share those creations online. Scratch at Forum helps educators ask questions and learn how others use Scratch in the classroom. The cons of this tool is that Scratch users interface appears challenging, so use of tutorial is a must. The cost is free. The ease of learning, like I said, it is challenging because every time I created I wanted to create a Scratch story, I had to go back and look at the tutorials and to go step by step on creating it. The student accounts, yes, there are student accounts. Everybody can create a student account because it is free. It is the versatility. Scratch can be used to create class projects, games, or even birthday cards. Now, this tool can be used for math. Users can create a graph and manipulate data so that you can see averages and other information. For science, interactive periodic table where information is linked to a visual representation of elements. For social studies, users can assemble a quiz game that reviews historical terms. And for language arts, users can create also a story about the terms and verbs, also ideas on on writing, and you can go and then create as much as you can for every subject. Tutorial of Scratch. First of all, you need to join Scratch. So you press that button. I have already joined and I have already filled all of this out. So if you don't want to join and just try it out, you can just press here and it'll take you to try the Scratch out. But let me show you how it works. I signed in, and it gives you a lot of help and before you can try it out, and you can actually try out starter projects, learn how to make a project in Scratch. And I've already made mine, and I've already posted it to share. It's called Alien and Cat. So this is what I did. Okay, and what the students can do is each of them can add to this Scratch project, and then they can leave a comment and post, and then go back and then just add more stuff to it, like move again like this, and their background, the stage. It has a lot of things where they can create a story of it. They can use it for social studies, science, um, as I said, language arts, and math. My third Web 2.0 tool is called the Little Bird Tales. And for more information, you can go to littlebirdtales.com. The pros of this tool is a story building tool with audio and video recording features. The cons of this tool is that iPad app does not allow users to create or take lessons, and students cannot share in online in real time. They need to use the same computer to work, to collaborate. The cost of this tool is $24.99 for one teacher and 20 students, and for each additional student would be $125. Ease of learning is very easy. It takes you step by step, and really, because it's more of a recording, it is very easy to understand. Student accounts, yes, it does have student accounts, but like I said, the teacher needs to log in and create an account for the students. Now the versatility, it's very versatile. It has access to online art pad, lesson plan creator, and digital storytelling that converts to video, and it allows also for presentations. This tool can also be used for math, to using Kinder to project counting objects as seen here in the example, and to identify greater than, less than, or equal to number of objects in another group. It can also be used for science, um, a science project, lesson plan template on how blood circulates through the body, as seen here in the example. Also for language arts, to compare and contrast the experience of reading a story, a drama, or poem. And it can also be used for social studies. Um, Students can create timeline of events in any historical in any. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you through a web tour tutorial on the different features of that this web tool has, which is for the lesson plans. You can actually go in and choose whatever lesson plan template you like. Let's say you like this one, so you just press on it, and here it gives you the artwork so you can get started, and it gives you like an idea what you can do for your tale. Now it also offers a how do I. You can, if you have any questions on whatever you have, student accounts, adding students, it'll take you step by step here on what to do. And you can go home, art pad. Okay, guess it signed me in. Alright, you can go into the public tales and view all of the different tales that are already published and are already shared. Okay, once you're decided to join, you can click here, join now, and it gives you several different options on what to get, what plans to get on the free basic, and it gives you the different features. Like I said, for premium teacher, and here is what they charge for the premium teachers. 20 students, $24.99 and $125 each additional. I got the free teacher for 90 days. Okay, since I'm already signed up, I'm just gonna sign in with my email address and my password, and then I'm gonna show you really quick step by step on how to create a tale. I already started with mine. So this is Myra's 3-Step Tale Creator by Myra Guzman. I'm gonna click here. You can see it. Okay, and then step 1, you edit your tale. So I uploaded a picture from my gallery. Step 2, you add pages. I am gonna upload another picture from my gallery, and then you always press save. And then step 3, you share your tale. I'm gonna upload a picture, open, and then we save it. And then you can always record your voice, or you can just leave the pictures with the text, and we can just preview. And it also gives you an embed code, so you can always embed it wherever you want in the online, or share it with whoever you want. Okay, and this is it. And you can always share it, and you can put multiple emails, the subject, and the message. And my personal favorite is Scratch. Although it is a challenging tool, which you have to be looking at the tutorials in order to create a Scratch story. It is a great tool for students to get an introductory lesson into computer programming. This tool is beneficial for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math classrooms. It also offers a Scratch Ed um, tool, which is an online community forum that allows users to connect with other users to ask questions, share projects, and get ideas. And more than anything, it is totally free. You don't have 30-day trials or 60-day trial or just a limited amount of scratches you can do or create.